Okay, now to the good stuff. The new high school room. This is our design and innovation suite with Benny, myself, Jake McCullough, and Anton. Benny teaches robotics and coding at the middle school and high school. I teach robotics in here. Jake teaches programming, AP Computer Science yearbook, and Anton teaches some more coding and design classes. So we come in, it's actually 4 or 5 rooms. It's pretty cool. To our left is Jake McCullough's programming room. This you guys probably won't use too much. It's all of our workstations for yearbook, coding, design, CAD. It's pretty cool. We're doing some good work in here. We've got some portable TVs with the Apple TVs. We've got some of the hard drives for the yearbook and some pretty sweet stuff, as well as some of the design models that Jake and his students created hanging up. Across the hall we have the heavy equipment room, which is basically our high school makerspace. These are not being used for classes yet. Here's a dedicated computer for our 3D printers. We've got the big MakerBot Replicator Z18. There's a couple Zortax 3D printers. There's an up box that we are still working on fine-tuning. And then finally there's our new boy, the Denford CNC machine. That is also being fine-tuned. This is pretty sweet. We would love to use this more. We've got some equipment storage for raw materials. There's the track for the F1 in schools. A couple workbenches. We've got some hand and power tools over here. This room is still being built up, but we can definitely do more with it. So we've got some screwdrivers, handheld bandsaw, some more hand tools. Over here we've got another workbench and some more hand tools on it. We've got a little mobile table saw that I'm pretty excited to use, some drills and some other stuff behind it, and a sink, and then more material storage. This could definitely be used for one of our MIT workshop rooms if you guys were interested in it. As we come out of the design suite, we get into the big open part of it. So here's a huge open classroom to our left. This is our coding and design area. The students work and can move all over. It's kind of a modular classroom. Next to it is a couple work tables students can use. If you look up the ceiling, we've got a couple of the power cords in the ceiling that can come down. There's a few student classrooms off to the side for workrooms during their autonomous time. Now we come over here, and that's so beautiful. It's my and Benny's robots workspace. This is a shared space for Vex Robotics and for Lego EV3 right now. More coming. These big hex tables fit 6 students each and offer a whole lot of workroom. Right now, my students are working on a maze challenge. There's their maze challenge. So they've got to code their robots to navigate this. These things are modular and can be built. There's a whole lot of tools, spare parts, Vex Robotics over there. There's a Vex Arena that we have to finish putting together. There's the other maze. So there's a ton of workspace in here. There's some plywood. Here's some storage for the robots. It's pretty awesome. Put some decorations up. Be what you want, not what you were built for. Smash the solid state. And a plant that needs watering. Over here we've got another student work area and our teacher kind of impromptu office back in the corner. So you can stay in and work. And then here's some of Benny's Vex robots that are still working. So that's our new design suite. I'm thinking we can definitely put some stuff in here for MIT if we want to work in here, and it's expanding and changing all the time. Thanks so much. See you in a few months.